What's up guys, SB Turner back with another video, and today I'm going to do fidget spinner versus teeth. This is inspired by Infinite List. I was watching his video yesterday on my Kindle, and I was thinking I could make a video of doing what he's doing. Fidget spinner versus teeth. By the way, this is probably going to be gonna hurt because it has kind of sharp edges. Probably not to you, but it feels kind of sharp. It's like a gear fidget. It's rainbow against teeth, which I think will hurt because Infinite List kind of got hurt. Infinite List, if you're watching this, I got this from you. I'm not stealing. I just want to do it. So make sure you go smash that like button and subscribe. Try to go for 100 likes for today's video. Yeah, go check out my other videos. Let's get started. So, I'm not going to spin it too hard. Just going to spin it like that. For now. Don't hurt that much. Try my front teeth. Front teeth hurt bad. Alright, I'm going to do it a little bit. Wait, I'm going to do it one more time like this. Don't hurt that bad. First try did kind of hurt. That's kind of fast. That hurt. Oh, kind of. Alright, I'm gonna do it again. Oh, alright, I'm gonna do my front teeth now. Oh, that's not fast. There. Oh, I'm scared. Ow! It hurts so bad. Liz, how do you do this? Got my chest ball. I ripped it up though. It feels good. So, okay, let's get started. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Same thing again. I'm gonna do it again. Ow! Ow! If you guys can hear that, it hurts. And it sounds cool, but it hurts bad. Now I'm gonna do it this hard. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Oh gosh. Oh god. If you probably think I sound sick, because I am sick. Well, that doesn't make sense at all. Yeah, if you think I sound weird because I have a sore throat, I missed out on school today, which is sad. We have to stay inside. Can't play today after. My aunt's here. Okay, so I'll do it again. Oh crap. So scary. Ow! I'm probably gonna lose a tooth today. Alright, I'm gonna do it a little bit harder. Oh gosh. Oh no. I'm gonna do it on this side. Ow! That hurt so bad. Ow! I have a sharper one right there that's really sharp right there. It's on my desk, but I'm not gonna use it because it's broken. And it's gonna probably cut myself. I would do it for you if it wasn't broken, because when I try to spin it just falls. So yeah. Alright, now I'm going to do it really hard. Well, not really hard, just... Oh gosh. That hard. It didn't hurt that bad. Now I'm not, like, get it stuck in there. That probably sounded wrong. Ow! 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 Oh! I hurt so bad. I'm seriously not gonna do these front teeth because it's gonna hurt. It hurts. Alright, now I'm gonna do it even harder. God be with me. Oh gosh. so cool. Drake. Oh, I'm too scared. Don't be a baby. Ah! Ow! That hurt. That hurt. That hurt very bad. Oh, my jaw hurts now. This is a horrible idea. I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. Oh, my teeth. Alright, I feel better. I'm gonna do it really hard now. I think that was the same speed. It looks so cool. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm just gonna do it. Ah! Ow! Oh! 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 That hurt. That hurt. That. Alright. My jaw hurts. I'm probably gonna end the video right now. Make sure you go subscribe and smash that like button. Remember, 100 likes. Oh! Bye!